Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix password and picture password missing in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. Now the case is when you open your settings here, the start icon and go with settings, okay? And when you try to go with your password and picture password here at the accounts when you try to check that, okay, and when you proceed to the sign in options here under the account settings, you won't be able to see the password as well as the picture password here aligning these ways to sign in, okay. Now, in order to fix that, you need to proceed to additional settings. And at the very first of it, you can see there, for improved security, only allow Windows Hello signed in for Microsoft accounts on this device is recommended. Turn this off, okay? So if in your case it is turned on, just turn it off because that is the reason why the password and your picture password is missing here in aligning the ways to sign in options. Then click on accounts. Okay. And the moment you have the click on it, let's scroll down and go back to sign in options. And there you have that. Okay. You have the password where you can sign in your account's password, and you also have this picture password option where you can swipe and tap your favorite photo to unlock your device. Okay. So close this window and you're good to go. Okay, so if you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.